So this is the pound dollar analysis for Friday the 18th of May. Now let's just have a look what are in prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had prices come down towards this level here, just slightly above the 34.50 in towards the 34.60s. Had pretty much a double bottom form there. Retested the 35.20. Brief pullback, tested the 35.20, saw the sell side momentum. Didn't quite test our old lows in around the 34.60s. And we did see the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, taking us above the 34.88, broke beyond the 35.20 to the upside. We didn't, from there, again, we've came up towards this 35, even around the 35.60s, from which we have seen a bit of a pullback down towards the 34.88, held the support, and we've had prices currently oscillating just below the 35.20. So we've had more recently a series of higher lows, and we are breaking beyond 35.20 at present, and we've got a 200. We do have the 200 period moving average pretty close by. So if we can see this break of 35.20, possibly looking for a move up towards that 136 level, an area of well-established resistance and not too distant past. If we can break and hold above the 136, we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average, but a break and hold and break of the 400 period moving average, we'll be looking for moves up towards that 136.57. If, however, we do encounter resistance at the 200 period moving average or that 136, we're looking for moves back down towards that 35.20, successful break from which we're looking for moves down towards that 34.88, and after 34.88, we do have a level in around that 34.60. So we're saying we do have a level around that, we do have a level around that 34.60, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 34.29, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 33.68 may just come into focus. Although it is unlikely, but it may come into focus. Let's just have a look here at the daily chart. And over on the daily chart here, we get a scale on here, correct? On this daily chart, we do appear to be building a bit of a base. We've had a pretty sharp, consistent sell-off. We've come down towards this 34.88, the 200 period moving average. And we do appear to be finding support in around 34.88 and 34.60. So in and around that 20 pip or so zone, we do appear to be finding support. And in the past, this blue line is that 136 where we have found resistance. So we've been in this pretty tight trading range from a daily chart perspective, about 100, give or take 140 or so pips. We're currently range bound. Also, we do have the 200 period moving average. So we might see, being Friday, we might see a counter trend move to the upside before possibly seeing a breakdown if we do encounter resistance at 136 and seeing further sell side momentum here on the pound against the dollar. So to an extent, after having this sharp sell-off, we might see the counter trend move before seeing the downside momentum continuation. And with that said, that wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.